5 simple steps to easily solve the Rubik's Cube. First, you have to familiarize yourself with the Rubik's Cube pieces. Corner pieces can only be moved to other corners. They cannot be moved to the middle or to the edges. Corner pieces can be twisted, so this green could be here, here, or here. Edge pieces can only be moved to other edges. Edge pieces cannot be moved to corners. Edge pieces can also be twisted, so this orange could be here and this blue could be here. Center pieces can only be turned. Center pieces cannot be swapped with other center pieces. So orange will always be next to white, always be next to green. Orange will always be opposite of red. You cannot swap these two pieces. Now you need a quick lesson on what your different faces are called. You have your upper face, your down face, your front face, back face, right face, left face. If the notation is simply the letter R, that means to turn the right face one turn clockwise. If the notation is the letter RI, then you would turn the right face right inverted or counterclockwise. So if the instruction were FI, you would turn the face one turn counterclockwise. Now, let's solve the cross at the top of the cube. I'm going to choose orange as my top color. I have orange here and white here, so I need this piece to be orange and white. I have the piece in the right place, but it isn't oriented correctly. So we turn the face one turn this way, bring the orange this way, bring it back up, and now I have orange, orange, and white. This is wrong, but if I just turn this back, I have white, white, orange, orange. So now I move to my next side. I need orange and green here. I keep my finger on the orange, and I find the orange and green piece. It's right here. I need to move this piece from here to here, so the first thing I do is place it under where I want it to go. Now I twist it up, and I have green, green, orange, 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 white, white. Next piece I need to solve is orange, yellow. I keep my finger on the orange, I find the orange and yellow piece, it's right here. Now I can't just twist it up. If I did that, I'd have the piece in the right place, but it wouldn't be the right orientation. So I put it into the middle, and I turn it one turn this way, and bring it up. And now I have yellow and orange. This is wrong, but if I turn that this way, I have yellow, orange, orange, green, orange, white. The final piece I need to put is orange, blue. Keep my finger on the orange, find the orange and blue piece. It's right here. I move this under where I want it to go. It's on the same side of where I want it to go. I turn this one turn to put it in the middle. I turn this over and then this up. And now I have blue, orange. This is wrong, but if I twist it this way, I have blue, blue, orange, 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 yellow, yellow, orange, orange, green, green, orange, orange, white, white. Now I need to solve the corners. To solve the corners, I need orange, green, and white. This piece needs to have orange here, green here, and white here. So I find that piece. Keep my finger on the orange. It happens to be right underneath. Orange, green, and white. If I were to just move this piece up, it would ruin my cross. Can't do that. What I do is I take the side that it's on, I move it down, I move that orange now up, and then move that back into place. And now I have orange, green, and white. Next color, orange, white, and blue. Orange here, blue here, and white here. Keep my finger on the orange, find the piece, it's right there. Orange, blue, and white. I move it under where I want it to go. Move it to this side. Now I need to get up there. Again, I just can't twist it like that. So I move this side down, I move the orange over, and then I move this side back up. So now I have green, white, and blue, and orange on top. Next color, I need orange, I need blue, and I need yellow over here. I keep my finger on the orange, and I find orange, blue, and yellow. It's right here. This piece needs to go from here over to here. So I first get it down from there. I move this side down, move this over, move this side back up. I just moved it over to here. Now I need to get it up to here. I move this side down, move this over, move this back up. So now I've got blue, yellow, and orange. So now I need orange, yellow, and green. Keep my finger on the orange and find the piece. It's right here. Let's move it under where I want it to go. I move this side down, move it over, and move this up. And now I've got yellow, green, I've got blue, I've got white, and orange on top. Now I need to make a T letter. My T letter cannot contain my bottom color. In this case, my bottom color is red. So this red here is not going to work. This yellow, red is not going to work. This blue and white is going to work. So let's make a blue T. I move that to line up the blue, and now I have a blue T. This is blue and white, so this piece needs to go here, because we have white and blue. Move this piece over to here. This is the first simple move to learn. To get this piece over to here, first thing we want to do is send it away, bring this down, send it away, bring this up, bring it back, twist the face down, bring it over, twist your face back up. Now I've put blue and white right there. Now we make another T. We have green and white. It doesn't have the bottom color, so let's find the green. And there's green and white, and the green and white needs to go over here. It's the exact same move we did, except it's inverted. So we're going to send the piece away, bring this down, send it away, bring this up, bring the corner back, twist the face down, bring the corner over, twist the face up. And now we have green and white right here. So we look to make another T. We've got red, that's no good. We've got red, that's no good. We've got yellow and blue. So let's line up the yellow. Now we have a yellow T. We need to move this yellow-blue over to here. So we send it away, bring the side down, send it away, bring the side up. We bring the corner back. We bring our face down, line up the corner, and bring it back up. And yellow and blue is there. So now we need to find our final color, yellow and green. We line up the yellow, create the yellow T, there's green, it needs to go right here. So we send it away, bring this side down, send the corner away, bring the side up, bring the corner back, turn the face down, bring the corner over, and turn the face back up. And we have blue, yellow, green, white, and orange. What we want to do is we have orange up here. We want to go to the opposite side of the orange and make that our top. That is red. Now we're going to perform the same move over and over until we create our red cross. And that move is this. F, U, R, U, R, F. Now we've created a vertical line. We turn that line so it's going horizontally, and we perform the move again. F, U, R, U, R, F. Now we have this backward L up here. We want this backward L so it's up in this corner, and we perform this move again. F, U, R, U, R, F. And now we have our red cross. The third move we need to perform is done until we only have one red facing up. You only want one red facing up, not two reds or three reds. What this move does is it swaps this corner with this corner and this corner and twists them, keeps this corner in place. So we want to have this red facing us to perform this move. And this move goes like this. R, U, back, U, R, U, back. Now we have one red facing up. We keep that red in this bottom left-hand corner because, again, this move is going to move these three pieces. Perform that move. R, U, back, U, R, U, back. Our red is over here. We're going to move it to our bottom left corner, and we're going to perform the move again. R, U, back, U, R, U, back. And now we've solved the red. Okay, let's say you have no matching colors on any of these corners. This next move you're going to perform until you get all your corners to match. It doesn't matter where we start when none of them match. So this is what we do. Ref, fur, re, back, back, ref, fur, re, back, back, R, R. And now if we spin the cube around, you'll see we have two corners matching. When you have two corners matching, what you want to do is put those corners away from you. So they're on the back side. And we perform the move again. Ref, fur, re, back, back, ref, fur, re, back, back. Right, right. And now we have matching corners. Straighten up the cube. Yellow, yellow. Green in this case is done. White, white. Blue, blue. What if you're presented with a situation where all of your centers are wrong? You perform this fifth move until you get all of your edges correct. What this move does is it swaps this piece here with this piece here with this piece here without twisting them. In this case, it'll put this green here and it'll solve the green side. And what you do is turn this over, turn this to the side, bring this down, flip this around, bring this up, turn it back, and turn it back over. And now we've solved the green side. If I perform this move again, I'm going to put the blue here and the yellow over here, and I'm going to swap these three pieces. You perform this move as many times as you need to solve the cube. Turn this over, turn this to the side, bring this down, flip this around, bring this up, turn it back, and turn it back over. And now the cube is solved. Here's a quick clip of the cube being solved using these 5 simple moves in under 2 minutes.